name is Diane, and I live in Nashville, Tennessee. I've been hosting with Airbnb for 4 years. I moved here in the late 90s to complete my college education and met my husband. This neighborhood, Enchanted Hills is what it's called, is well known for a lot of the Black professionals who migrated to this area in 1970. This is my husband's childhood home. It was built by a famous Black architect in the area. The legacy of this house and it being in my husband's family is real important to me. Hosting on Airbnb has given my husband our extra income in order to keep up our home and to restore our home to its original beauty. It has allowed us to preserve our home and to share the beauty and the legacy of our home with others.